Howdy. How you doing? Thought I'd send my buddy a video. What's in here? That's a cold beer. Well, I wanted to give you a product report. What's this? Oh yeah, it's Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. Look at that sexy motherfucker. God. Look at that. It's an 11-year-old truck. Look at that fat truck driver. You know, I'll point out that the side of the truck is curved, so it makes me look fatter than I really am, but I know I'm fat. Anyway, holy shit. Boys. Damn. I think this truck is now too good looking for me to be in it. I named this truck Halle B, as in Halle Berry. And I think with that hybrid ceramic wax, she hitting on all points like she was in that Catwoman suit.